Yo! So, what is up guys? Jin here. So, today, tatalakayin natin ay tungkol sa bagong bootcamp server wherein meron siyang plus 300% up hanggang sa level 60. Then, double quest count. Meron ding 4,000 epic grade summons. At meron siyang full set ng plus 7 epic grade equipment. So, napakaganda nitong server na to. Swerte nga ng mga gagawa ng bagong account dito sa newly open na bootcamp server. Itong bootcamp server na pala to ay nagsimula siya nung ah, June 30, yung patch ng June 30. So, once reach ng level 60 and transfer to the server of your choice for free through graduation. So, pagka level 60, pwede ka na mag-transfer sa different server. So, next is your class becomes stronger and more reliable than ever. Siyempre, naka plus 7 ka na epic item. Sige, tingnan pa natin yung ibang event na nasa bootcamp. So, meron check-in event. Merong Einhenhar Academy 14-day check-in. So, may chance pa tayo para makita ito. Check natin. Round up na June 30. Wala. Einhar. Wala kasi dito. So, ito, ang mga event. Event na available sa bootcamp server. So, first, click natin to yung check-in 14-day. Ito ba malinaw? Sa natin to. So, sa 14-day, day 1, Galar, Jormon Equipment Package. Then, Mana Regen, Uncommon Food Bundle option. Higher Mastering Scroll Selection. Uy, tatlo. Higher, ibig sabihin yung blue. Tama ba? Check natin. Blue. Oh, yes. Correct. Yung blue nga, yung blue. Then, Amber Pouch, 10. Silver Charging Stone. Seal of Blessing Package. Okay, next. Mission Completion Event. So, ito na yung mga equipments. So, ang event period pala na to is June 30 to 25 only. August 25. So, yung iba naman is nag-start nung 7, then 14, until ano na siya, August 25. Next is, once mag-reach ng level 15, makakuha ng Aetheric Weapon Package. Aetheric Bottoms plus 7. Ito ata yung mga plus 7 na epic item. So, ayos din once ma-reach mo yung Essence level 9. Makukomplete mo na siya. Next, companion task natin. Discover ng viewpoints. Lesser mastering, middle mastering, uncommon yellow path, lesser horn, middle horn, rare companion ground. Then, last is yung epic horn na ground type. So, makuha ng companion na mount. Next is yung 2 Discovering Saga, Darkening, Middle Mastering. So, kaya mo palang mag-close agad ng mga skill mo nito. Artifact Crystal, Mastering Lesser, Middle Horn, Rare Companion. Oh! Dito mo naman sa ito makukuha yung Air. So, meron ka na agad epic companions once na matapos mo yung mga kailangan. So, ito, magdi-defeat. Naka-right click. Sorry. Ito, Saga. Tapos, di-defeat ka lang. Basic na basic. Next is Artifact Growth Support. Check natin. Craft ng item. Ito. Rare this year treasure naman to. So, goods to jewel. Recta Awakening pala. Grabe naman yun. Recta Awakening pala to, Lods. Recta Awakened. Ayos na nga. Di na kailangan mag-farm. Maganda tong bootcamp. Next natin, New Warrior Skill Growth. Defeat unique monster, complete quest, clear clan skill, cooperation. So, Radiant, Enhancement Radiant Silver, Starlight, Amber, 10. Tapos Mastering Scroll ulit, 3. Kaya nga mag-epic. Kaya mag-epic skill. Next natin, yung 2. New Warrior Skill Growth Support 2. Buffa Labyrinth. Same din dito. Ang ending ay pag na-complete mo lahat ng task, Canyon Monster lang medyo mahirap dito kasi medyo masakit yung Canyon Monster eh. Pero, yun. So, ilan na yun? Parang 9 na yung nakita ako. 9. Next is Valhalla Warrior Seal Acquisition. Craft item, makuha ng Norns. Uncommon na Norns, common. So plus 5 na Seal of Victory. Good stats din yan. 2. Acquisition 2. So ito naman pag clear ng boss. So Old Feather, Boss Feather, Terrible Old Raid Feather, Common Rune Chest, then Seal of Awakening. Seal of Awakening. Ito yung color red. Na once ma-awaken ka na, makuha mo siya. So yung lipstick, parang lipstick yung tawag nila. Next is ranking event. So Bootcamp Season 1 Personal Ranking Event. So may ranking system pala sila. Maganda to Bootcamp Season 1 Personal Ranking Event. Event schedule June 30 after August 25, 7 a.m. During bootcamp period, warriors who achieve a top 100 ranking in the bootcamp server level ranking will receive. So base sa level ranking. So pag top 1 ka, meron kang 3 artisan manual. Artisan manual is pang-craft ng mga epic item. Next is Superior Crafting Material Selection Chest, 20. So, ito ay yung mga epic item, epic materials, I mean. Next is Higher Blueprint Selection. Uy. Ano pa rin solid pa rin So, halos lahat, pare-pares lang din sila ng ng reward. So, kahit mapasok ka sa top 100, goods pa rin yung bigay kasi merong selection chest na higher. Di na masama, goods na rin. Hanggang siya, yung superior material. Hanggang sa 20, rank 20 yung superior. Then, 21 pababa is wala na silang hindi. Hanggang 3 lang pala yung may artisan. Then, yung pababa, 4 to 100, ang reward na lang sa nila is higher blueprint selection and superior crafting selection chest. So, not bad na rin kung mabilis ka magpa-level, kung alam mo yung strat. Next is Bootcamp Vanguard Race. So, ito. Bootcamp Vanguard Race, schedule June 30, same lang din. During bootcamp, a special this year will be given to the first 3 warriors on each bootcamp server to reach level 60. Uy, ayos yun ah. This year na epic. Wow. For the first place, epic grade. Second place, rare. And third place, rare din also. This year names are subject to change. Okay, okay. Nice one. Maganda-ganda to. Next is honor to completion of the bootcamp. Ano kaya to? Schedule. Warriors who meet certain condition in bootcamp server will receive a bootcamp exclusive seal. So, seal of graduation. Characters that reach level 60. Seal of honors graduation. Characters that reach level 60. Character rank 1st to 10 sa growth power. So, ito. Meron silang exclusive na seal. So, baka ito ilalagay ito sa Seal of Victory na slot. And precautions. The growth power ranking used as condition for receiving the Seal of Honors graduation will be finalized based on ranking as of August 25, 2026, 7 AM. So, total ng 10 characters lang ang magiging winner dito sa nila event. So, even if a character ranks within the top 10 growth power, they will be excluded from receiving the Seal of Honors graduation if they have not reached level 60. Ooh, so level 60 pa rin talaga yung basehan kahit mataas yung growth power mo. Seal of graduation will be distributed sequentially after August 25 update to characters that have reached level 60. Distributed seals cannot be enhanced. So, yun, di may enhance. Last is yung Bootcamp Glory of the Clan. So, to June 30, 25. Generous rewards will be distributed to the clans and clan members in the top 10 clans ranking of clan growth power in the bootcamp server. So, bibigyan sila ng summon. Sa clan, may summon. Sa first, rank 1. Drokan, tsaka direct. Same din. Hindi. Ito pala. So, second place, second ranking is Drokan lang. Third is direct. Tas, top 4 to 10 is Grokan. So, each clan member, iba rin yung reward. So, ito. Meron silang Soul Summon Ticket times 11. 2 yung quantity. Radiant Clan Badge Chest, 3. Clan Skill Book Chest, 3 din. Then, Noble Story Deck Point Chest, 5. Rare Rune Chest, 2. Higher Horn. Wow! Higher Horn, isa. So, same din. Higher Horn. So, second tsaka third, may higher horn. Then sa 4 to 10, middle horn lang. So, yun. Precaution ulit. Clan growth power rankings will be finalized based on the ranking as of August 25, 7 AM. A total of 10 clans will be selected. Rewards for clan members of 10 selected clans will be distributed based on clan membership at the time of the final ranking are calculated. Clan rewards will be sent clan storage of the clan rank 1st to 10 in the clan growth power. Okay. So, rewards will be distributed sequentially from August 25, 2026. So, ayun yung bootcamp events. Meron pa ba tayo dito? New additional server. Ano ba yung ano kung meron pang details yan dito eh. Ito, advance notice. So, ito. New additional server. Servers. Bootcamp Ultra. Fast and Growth server. Where everyone starts, same starting line will open. June 30. Before September 8 update. bootcamps will consist 2 server of each region and 2 bootcamp server within each region will be matched as one inter-server group. Overwhelming benefits will be provided in the bootcamp. Overwhelming growth, 300% hunting XP will be applied until reaching level 60. So, ayun, hanggang level 60. Tapos yung main quest, kill counts will be doubled. So, nice. Powerful starting support. Ito rin kanina, yung mga binasa natin. So, after the time limited epic grade equipments will expired, it will be converted and provided as a full set of plus 10. So, once na matapos pala, or mag level 60 ka, yung set ng epic ay magiging plus 10 na Galar's Regine equipment. Okay. Next is key growth materials, including 70% of the required awakening materials, epic runes, blason, and seal will be provided. Next, exclusive region trade station. Region trade station in bootcamp will allow only trading between bootcamp servers. Item listed for sale on the region trade of general partners will not be displayed in the bootcamp region trade station. So balance. So hindi pwedeng mapag-trade palabas. So free server transfer. Characters that reach level 16 the bootcamp can graduate and transfer to a server of their choice within the same region. Server transfer period August 25, 1 a.m. to September 7, 12 p.m. If server transfer is not completed within the server transfer period, the character will be assigned to a random server when bootcamp ends. So, for more details, check natin to advance notice. So, bootcamp operation period, June 30 after update, 25 before update. Graduation and server period, characters that reach level 60, August 25 after update to September 8. Automatic transfer during update, maintenance on September 8. So ililipat ka agad. So ito meron siyang bootcamp 1, A1, bootcamp A2 sa SA, South America, bootcamp S01, S02, NAEU, bootcamp NE01 and NE02. So, yun. So, yun guys. Yun lang muna yung update natin regarding sa pinakamagandang tatawag nilang ultra fast growth bootcamp server sa Emir. So, hanggang sa muli. Salamat sa panonood. Paalam.